This body style is always popular here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 1994 model year Chevrolet Silverado, K1500, Z71 package, extended cab 4x4 of course, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles, just a little over 108,000 on this one is all, and it is as clean as a whistle, as you can see. Look at the reflection in that paint and the cars behind me. It's like a mirror. Wheels, those are basically brand new takeoffs from a Yukon. 5.7 liter tried and true power plant underneath the hood. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Nothing's peeling, pitting. Looks good. And as far as the paint, look at the shine to that. Now, it's black. If you go through it with a fine-tooth comb, you're going to find a little imperfection here or there, but man, they have to be few and far in between, and they are minor. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, which, look at the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of this thing. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're not going to believe it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Good look at those wheels. Michelin tires, only I think they're 3 years old, 3 to 4 years old, so plenty of tread and life left on those. I believe 21 was the manufacturing date code on there. And look at how straight these panels are. If you take a look at the still pictures of the wheels and the tires, you'll be able to see the brakes behind them. Brakes are like new. And look, just no major nicks, dings, scratches. Like I said, imperfections in the side of that paint. This one will not disappoint in person, folks. So I mentioned the brakes are like new. There's new rear calipers and wheel cylinders. New fuel lines and fuel pump. All new brake lines. New intake gasket. Water pump is new, battery, shocks, front and rear new, exhaust. This is turnkey, get in it and go. Beautiful spray and bed liner. Does not look like this truck has been worked a whole lot. Cowboy Cadillac, I think they referred to him as. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, look at the reflection in that tailgate. Still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Like I said, take your time looking at the underside. You're not going to believe it in the rest of this truck. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. When we get to the interior, power locks, power windows, power seat over on the driver's side, bucket seats, center console, tilt column, cruise control, and we'll get to that in just a bit. As you look up and down this driver's side, again, you can see the paint, incredible shine to it, reflection in it. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Get some very clean trucks in this body style, as well as Yukons and Tahoes from time to time. Door panels, just lack of wear on the armrest, any sort of staining or anything on the door panel. Again, power windows, power locks. Take a look at the bucket seats. And again, power seat controls up here in the front. Actual miles right there, 108, 783. It's fired up. All right, dash. Yep, like new. AM, FM, cassette player with equalizer. AM, FM radio is working here. Manual transfer case for the 4x4. Again, the center console, and how about that headliner. Nice shape. You'll be able to get a good shot of the rear seats in the still pictures also, with it folded up and folded down, so you can see it both ways. The reflection in this thing is amazing. It's like a mirror. Let's listen. Again, new exhaust. Looks good and sounds good. What you'd expect. Nothing crazy over the top for the exhaust. Let's go ahead and pop this hood open. I think we know what the engine bay is going to look like if it looks like the rest of this truck. And then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. I think we're have a pretty good idea how it's going to go down the road too, but he'll take you for a virtual ride if you will. So stick around and let's check out this engine bay. Good look at the hood liner. Very clean, and like I said, wow, look how clean and tidy this is under here. This thing practically looks like new. It's a 1994. New AC Delco battery. I don't know if you'll find a cleaner 1994 black Chevrolet Silverado Z71 package, clean Carfax. It's a nice one, folks. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Take your time looking through them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we're going to assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Silverado. Very nice extended cab truck. In very good condition for the miles. It feels like a lower mile truck. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. All our gauges appear to be working as they should. Oil pressure showing 60 psi. The temperature is just coming up off of 100. Volts at 14.5. Now the fuel gauge shows completely full. I can never tell if that's right or not, but usually full is better than empty. I'll give you that much. Nice quiet ride in this truck. Cloth power bucket seat for the driver. Center storage with cup holders. Nice road feel. One of the most reliable Chevys. I mean, you gotta give it that, right? This era of truck. It stays nice and straight when you let go of the steering wheel. Our wipers work. The factory stereos work as it should. I have not tested cassette, but we do have the optional cassette over here with equalizer. The HVAC system's blowing heat at my feet on this winter day. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do these driving videos and wash the cars, so we can do the driving video for you. Corners as it should. Very tight suspension, tight steering, and all that means good. It's working the way it was intended. Great looking truck. The two-tone gray interior. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck over at uniqueclassiccars.com.